Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Let's draw with me kids today. Draw now with me step by step. Pick a black marker and draw now a sketch with me kids today. See what I am drawing today. Today I am drawing a beautiful sketch with black marker. Now kids, draw with me and step by step. See carefully how I am drawing today. See kids, what is this? And draw now. It's very easy and simple to drawing a sketch on a paper. See kids, what is this? Guess now. Kids, what a beautiful sketch. Now coloring with me kids is this sketch. I am doing red color. Which color I am using today's sketch? This is red color. R for red color. See kids how I am doing red color in a beautiful cute. C for crab. This is crab. Kids, do you see this crab in Dora's cartoon series? This is C for crab. A beautiful cute little crab. Now coloring with me kids step by step. And follow now these steps for doing coloring. Wow, beautiful giant crab. This is a giant crab. What crab? This is giant crab. There are so many crabs in this picture. Which crab is most beautiful? Yes now. Now coloring